Welcome back. India's maiden spacecraft to Mars has successfully left the Earth's orbit and is now cruising towards Mars. This is a result of a crucial and tricky midnight operation. This is a major milestone in country's space history. However, experts say the success of the mission can be assessed only when the spacecraft reaches the Martian orbit in September 2014.
Indian Space Research Organization has made it possible. The operation went off successfully and the Mangalyaan has left the Earth's embrace and is now on its course on the highway to Mars. The mission was launched on November 5, 2013 from Sriharikota. The Mangalyaan had till now been rotating around the Earth. It was given that final extra kick through a slingshot mechanism as it began its over 750 million kilometer journey to Mars. Each day, the Mangalyaan will cover over 2.5 billion kilometer hurtling into space till it slowed down to be captured by Mars. The success of the mission can be assessed only when the spacecraft reaches the Martian orbit on September 24, 2014. Once it reaches Mars, the Mangalyaan will revolve around the red planet for 6 months and announce India's triumph. However, the risks are many and no country till date has succeeded in reaching Mars on its maiden attempt. More than half of all missions to Mars have ended in failure, including China's in 2011 and Japan's in 1998. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Karnataka's Rapid Action Force Corps and locals had a clash at Morlem in Sattari on Saturday night. They were on a picnic to Goa. Liquor bottle dumped from the bus hit a local's car, which sparked a clash. The bus was chased and blocked midway of the road. Karnataka cops assaulted them on questioning. Angry locals attacked the bus. Locals claimed that Karnataka cops were under heavy influence of alcohol. Finally, Goa Police intervened and detained the hooligan cops. 5 cops have been arrested.
Karnataka Police IRB आणि सारखे एकदम पियोन आले आणि गाडी कशी तरी चलयता हे सायडीन ते फाटसून एक गोयची स्विफ्ट येताली ते स्विफ्टीचे तेंनी बाटल्यो मारल्यो आणि तांकां तेंच्यांनी म्हणजे एकदम गाडी रफ चला अख्खो रस्तो क्रॉस करा आणि मी तेंच्यांनी विचारले अरे बाबा गाडी चलयता खंय जाल्यार ते फुडें येयले जाल्यार तांकां परत ओवरटेक केला आणि तांकां हांगा शाणपणां लागले सुरू केलें तेंचे मारपाक सुरू केलें जाल्यार आमी गेले गांवांतले लोक तांकां वाचोवंक म्हणजे बाबा कित्याक तांकां मारता कितें जालें प्रॉब्लम तुमचें एटलिस्ट कितें तें सांगा सॉल्व करा नाजाल्यार तांकां मारूं नाका अशें जालें आनी मारून गेले जाल्यार आमचेर अटॅक केलो म्हणजे अक्षरशः असो अटॅक जालो की खोटी मारप धा म्हणजे सामकी रफ एकदम चोक जावन एकामेकाच्या आनी एकट्या गेलो तो भायर मारलो बायचेर मारलो व्हरोन ते मारीत घेवरा लागले मागीर हांव मागीर मारता म्हणून हांव घरान गेलो जाल्यार म्हाका घरानसो तेंच्यांनी सामको म्हणजे अटॅक केलो असो की बांद्यान हात घातलो आनी सामके बांद्यान सो फाडून उडयले तेंची बस आसली फाटसून बसीन सगळे लोक देंवले आनी इतले अटॅक केले की मेळटा तेका हांगा मार तेका ते सायडीन मार तेका मेळटा तेका थापटा मारप कशें मारप कोणाक कितें म्हणप हे पुलीसच हे भक्षक जाले कर्नाटका IRB हांकां अर्थच ना कर्नाटकाचे पुलिसांक लोकांक वागप कशें कळना नाल्यार काय अर्थ मागणी अशी आहे की तांकां खरेंच रिमांडार दवरूंक आनी खरीच चवकशी जावंक जाय की कोणाक कशें मारप हें रायट न्हू गोंयचे पुलीस पावकच ना गोंयच्या पुलिसांक फोन करताले ते म्हणटा ना आमच्या गेटीर एकच पुलीस आहा.
The revised midday meal scheme will be implemented from New Year. CM Parrikar informed that government is ready to invest more in midday meals only if children are satisfied with the meal quality. He assured that self-help groups will not be sidelined even if the government plans to engage ISKCON-run Akshay Patra to supply midday meals. CM said fruit will be served through the self-help groups only.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, along with officials of Education Department and Goa Education Development Corporation, met 130 self-help groups that are registered with Education Department. These groups will supply midday meals to students from Standard 1st to 8th. CM has appealed the groups to keep school students as they focus in their midday meal service.
एक गॅरंटी आहे की तुम्ही कोण मिडलमॅन निर्माणही करू नका किंवा घेऊ नका. पेमेंटच्या संदर्भात जानेवारी नवी स्कीम येतकच आय एम मेकिंग सम अदर अरेंजमेंट बाय विच पेमेंट दर महिन्याक बिल आयले की 15,000 रुपये पडूंक जाय. सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपाक आमी मदत करतली कोणी अशें समजतली की इवन थोडे अक्षय पात्र आयले जाल्यार सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप भितर आसतले पूण आतां डिसिजन आमी असो घेतला की फ्रुटां सुद्दां इतली ती तुमच्या मार्फत वतली त्यामुळे सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपाक 4 पैसे मेळचे इले 4 पैसे सुबेज सुद्दां मेळ्ळ्या जाता ही सरकाराची हे आसा पण त्या बरोबर बरें खाण भुरग्यांक मेळचें ही आमची अपेक्षा.
Education Director Anil Pawar informed that strict action will be initiated against self-help groups if they fail to provide quality meals to students.
लक्षात ठेवून घ्या, we will not hesitate to terminate the contract of any self-help group which will not follow the rules and regulations.
The Education Department along with GEDC has restructured the midday meal scheme. Self-help groups have been divided at Panchayat and municipal level. Each group will now be able to provide meals to about 800 to 1000 students. The menu has been reworked by the College of Home Science. Students will be served pav bhaji for 3 days, usar 2 days and wild fruits on 1 day. Besides that, food and drugs inspectors will be appointed at taluka level to inspect kitchens and the cookings of mills. The quality certificate for the mills will have to be signed by the head of educational institution, which has to be countersigned by the PTA, and only then the payment of the self-help groups will be released by the department. Presently, 130 self-help groups have submitted the FDA license, which is mandatory for supplying midday meals.
बरें अन्न भुरग्यांक मेळपा खातीर जो कितें कॉस्ट फॅक्टर आसा तो आमी सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपाक दिवया. आतां तुमकां सीएमान भायर सांगलें की पयसो हो आपलो क्रायटेरिया न्ही, इवन 10 कोटी सुद्दां आपूण एडिशनल ह्या मिड डे मिलाक घालपाक तयार आसा.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.